Starting off tonight, I wanted to share a picture that was posted on the Eastern Illinois University Facebook page. This is of the sunset last night in Charleston. I'll go ahead and take the banner off this photo so you can get a better look at the sunset. A very gorgeous shot from last night. You can see one lone bank of cloud cover reflecting those bright colors. The area of reflection you see right here, this is Campus Pond, so this is looking off to the southwest from Eastern's campus. So a very gorgeous shot last night. We had plenty of sunshine out there today across central Illinois. If you'd like to share any photos, email them to us at news@weiu.net, or you can send them to our social media pages. We're starting to see a warming trend across central Illinois. Temperatures right now are back down into the 40s after we saw highs in the 50s today. We're currently at 46 in Paris and Terre Haute, 48 down in Effingham, also in Taylorville and in Decatur, and it's currently 47 degrees here in Charleston. SkyTrack is clear, so we're not seeing any precipitation, and that's going to be the case over the next 48 hours. It's not until the weekend that we start to see the rain chances pick up, but we are going to be noticing the wind pick up. Right now we still have sustained winds anywhere from about 10 to 20 miles an hour across central Illinois, and the wind is out of the south, so that's what's been fueling that warm up. We're going to see those temperatures continue to climb as we get into the daytime tomorrow. We already have a wind advisory posted for all of our viewing area, all the counties shaded in tan. This is going to take effect at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning and continue until 6 o'clock tomorrow night. That's when we're expecting the strongest of the wind gusts. I think it'll be even the most strong wind will be before noon tomorrow. So we'll take a look at that activity with futurecast wind gusts. And you can see we're already seeing those wind gusts approaching 30 miles an hour. They're only going to strengthen as we go into the overnight hours. And by the time we get to tomorrow morning, as you wake up, we'll be seeing wind gusts from the south anywhere from about 40 to 50 miles an hour across central Illinois. So it's going to be a very blustery day Thursday, and we're going to hold on to those strong winds even into the afternoon. Here we are at noon, still seeing wind gusts over 40 miles an hour in several spots, and we're still going to be holding on to very blustery conditions as we get into the evening. Even after the wind advisory expires, we're still going to see wind gusts anywhere from about 30 to 40 miles an hour. So all in all, Thursday going to be a very windy day. It's not until we get into Friday that we start to see these wind gusts taper off just a little bit, and we're seeing some more calm conditions return to the area. Now, the reason we're seeing such strong winds is we're currently between two different pressure systems. We have high pressure out across the East Coast and a low pressure system that's going to bring us rain as we get to the weekend out across the Great Plains. So these white lines that you see on Futurecast, they're isobars, and the closer together they are, the stronger the wind is. And as you can see, tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock when we're expecting the strongest winds, they're packed in here pretty tight across central Illinois. It's going to give us those blustery conditions. They'll start to spread out a little bit more as we get into Thursday evening. And that'll be as the wind starts to decrease. But you'll also notice for Thursday there's going to be plenty of sunshine. So we're going to see a pretty nice day. Temperatures are going to warm up thanks to the southerly wind. When you factor in the wind with our dry conditions that we have, many of us still in moderate drought conditions, that is going to lead to some increased fire dangers. So outdoor burning not recommended for tomorrow despite the pleasant weather, just because those fires can rapidly spread with the wind that will be in place. Our hometown highlight tonight is Douglas County. We're expecting highs to make it into the middle 60s tomorrow. Our average for this time of year is in the low 50s. So we're going to see highs anywhere from about 10 to 15 degrees above average tomorrow. So do take advantage of the warmer day. You'll just want to hold on to your hat as you head out the door, because again, those wind gusts anywhere from about 45 to 50 miles an hour. 65 your expected high in Tuscola, Arthur, and in Newman. Now, as we get into Thursday night, we're still not going to have any issues other than the wind. We're going to see our sunshine remaining in place as we get into the start of Friday, but you'll notice a cold front coming in out of the northwest, and as it gets closer, we could see a few scattered showers in here, maybe as early as Friday night, but I think the bulk of the activity holds off until Saturday because this front's going to become stationary. And as it does so, it's going to increase our rain chances throughout the entire course of the weekend. So we're expecting several chances for rain all the way through the course of the weekend. So unfortunately, looking at some soggy conditions, we could see rainfall amounts exceed an inch by the time we get through Sunday. For tonight, we're expecting an overnight low down to 42 degrees, not quite as cold as last night. Wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour. They only strengthen from there. We're going to see highs tomorrow in the middle 60s, so expecting a very warm day. As we look at the next 7 days, don't expect those warmer conditions to last much longer. The rain showers will cool us back into the 50s, and then we're back into the 40s as we get into next week.